Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be demonstrating how to use this facial cleansing brush that I got off of this website, Clean to Lift. I will be leaving that website down below in the description. So today I actually purposely put on foundation before starting this video so that I can wipe it off with some makeup pads, and then we will cleanse my face with the facial cleansing brush. And then at the end, I will grab another makeup wipe it over my face, and see how much of the cleansing brush got off of there. So let's talk about the silicone brush. So the silicone brush is awesome for sensitive skin, acne-prone skin. It also removes 99% of dirt, oil, makeup residue, anything like that. So we will actually test that at the end after I clean my face with this and use the makeup wipe to see the end results. So let's talk about the rollers. So this actually rotates so that when you're moving it on your face, it's not getting stuck on there. And they're designed to gently massage the face to activate the lymphatic system and get rid of toxins, ease muscle tension, and stimulate blood flow. There's actually a hidden charging port. So let's see, you have to take that off, and that's where the charger is. It actually has 8 levels, so you can put it up to whatever level that you can tolerate. I would start off at like 1 or 2. Make sure it's not too much for your skin. Anytime that you're using this, you want to use some kind of serum or oil to make it a smooth process. You can use your nighttime routine, like night cream, which I will be using. And if you end up really liking the rollers, I actually have a video on a facial roller. I will link that right below in the description for you guys if you're interested in watching that. Now, if you have really sensitive skin, I would steer away from any kind of movement on the face that can cause more sensitivity. However, I will say if you're looking for a cleansing brush, the silicone pad is the way to go for sensitive skin, especially these little knobs right here. These are very soft compared to these right here. This feels more like an exfoliating silicone, and then this is more like of the cleansing side of it. Now, if you have tolerable skin, like oily skin, textured skin, if you have large pores, this is an amazing product for you. You can use this 2 to 3 times a week. You don't want to overuse it because it can cause flakiness. So if during the week you start to notice your skin flaking, you want to decrease the amount of times you're doing this. Let's get started on actually using the product and how to use it. Now, I have foundation on, so I'm going to use a makeup wipe to wipe it off, and then we're going to see how much is left on my skin after using this. All right, guys, so I'm gonna start putting warm water on my face to open up those pores. And if you have not seen my blackhead vacuum video, I will be linking that right above for you and right below. So this is the cleanser that I use. I usually use this in the shower. I don't like to stand over the sink and then have the water run down my elbows and make a mess. So I actually like to do this in the shower. But, so I will put some of this. I have found that if I put it on my face rather than on top of the brush and squirting it on the brush, I find that it works better. So let me put this on here. Okay, I'm really excited. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on. I feel like it starts like at the 8th level, so I'm gonna turn it all the way down. I'm going to start with these bigger knobs here to kind of exfoliate my face, and then I will go with the cleansing ones down here. All right, guys, I just got done washing my face off. Let's try the makeup wipe. I'm scared. Okay, clean makeup wipe. Ready? Ta-da! I'm actually very impressed. So usually I use, like I said, this in the shower. It just makes it a lot easier. And usually when I get out of the shower, since I use that, I just kind of dry off my face, kind of pat it dry. I don't use a makeup remover afterwards. Now I personally use this twice a week. So I don't leave it in my shower just because it does have a charging port and I don't want it to ruin it. So it's kind of hard to explain while I was actually cleansing my face, but you want to start at your T-zone and go up and out. Okay, and then you want to start at your nose and go outward. And then you want to start at this U part at your chin and go upward. Okay. I would not recommend using it more than 5 minutes just because you don't want to over cleanse your face and become flaky. So now I'm going to apply my nighttime cream and then massage my face to get that cream to really penetrate into my pores. Now I'm going to apply my nighttime neck cream. If you are actually interested in this neck cream, I will leave my distributors information down below in the description. So this neck cream lifts and firms. And I have this obsession with like my double chin and I just feel like I'm so cheeky and extra skinny over here. Not like skinny, but like extra skin. Like I just have like loose skin. I don't know what this is. But anyways, it tightens and firms the skin. Now that I applied my cream, I'm going to go in with the rollers. So I'm actually going to turn this back on and turn down the level again. So I'm going to start here and kind of go on my cheekbone area and start activating that lymphatic system. Okay, afterwards you just turn it off. Now I've actually used this about 3 times since I bought it, and I have not had to charge it yet. So I don't actually know how long this takes to charge, but once I do know, I will pin it down below in the comments for you guys. So if you found this video beneficial at all, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, make sure to comment them down below. I will be leaving everything that I mentioned in the description box for you, including videos that I've recorded in the past about my facial roller and the blackhead vacuum. So make sure to check those out. Remember to subscribe and hit the bell so that you get notified every time that I post a new video. I will see you on the next one. Bye.